So you can see the flow is ready, is steady. So therefore the pump is working properly. But the only problem that we are having is only the detectors. So since two detectors are not connected, for example, this evaporative rate scattering detector, you see that it is not connected from this drain and this liquid inlet, or as well as gas inlet. It is nothing connected, and you can see the parameters of ELC detectors. We have to use nebulizer, and the detector we have to configure the signals, for example the wavelength, the temperature, the gas flow, as so on and so forth. For example, this is the gas flow that we have normally to insert the data by using these options, because it is touch screen. Like if we want to use, for example, if we want to use the gas, it means you have to insert the data by pressing this button because it is touch screen. And the organizer is functioning very well, and the column is not connected since the detector is not yet ready. And you can see the specification. It is carbon 18 silica, reverse flow, so reverse the phase. And you can see the quaternary pump. It is working properly. When we are purging, we bring this button to this level, but when we want to have a continuous flow after doing purging, we have to close it. So I hope it is okay by now. Maybe I can show also. I can show the connection of the cables. So right from this top, we have some cables of the detectors and the pump, but this is the cable for the organizer. This is the one, and we have to on it by pressing this button. And apart from the other components that are connected to this organizer, we can list, for example, the pump. Sorry, we can say the column. This is the column that is connected. This is the column. You can check. So this is the column. This is the cable power for column. And for the pump, it has no power cable. For the pump, there is no power cable. Yeah, only these cables that are put. One have to play a role of the power supply. And again, we have this is the USB that is connected, for example, for extensions and the other computer management operations. And as well as this one is for computer, it goes directly to the computer. Yeah. And this one is connected to this side. Yeah, it is connected to this side directly from organizer to organizer. Again, nothing changed. And we have where we could have put the auto sampler, but we do not have auto sampler. So the detector here, there is nothing connected to this detector, but I don't know if we change it to this position, because it is still going to be the same. It is still going to be the same. These places is for detectors. Yeah. Then We also have the valve, like this valve, and this is the valve, like manual injection valve. This is it. It comes here, here. This is it until it goes here until it is connected to the manual injection valve. And this is the recycle bin, of course, for this HPLC. This is the recycle bin. Yeah, this is the recycle bin. Okay, then the way we have also the other cables that are connected. For example, this channel comes and goes straight to this column, and again from another one from this column for channel 2. Channel 2 comes to this channel 1 from the detector. Okay, then for the pump there is a connection from organizer here to this pump 01. This goes directly to the organizer, and this one goes straight also to the organizer. This is where it goes. Yeah, this is it from also the pump. Then this one also goes to the organizer. You can see this is the one that also goes to the pump. To the pump. This is the one PU03 goes straight to the organizer. And the other detector is not working, but we are trying our best to see whether it has to work. See you, and we shall give you other components that are together with this report. Thanks.